In the dynamic landscape of the stock market, identifying promising investment opportunities requires a blend of comprehensive research, foresight, and strategic thinking. As we navigate through the complexities of 2024, with economic fluctuations and technological advancements shaping market trends, it becomes imperative to pinpoint stocks with the potential for substantial growth and resilience. In this video, we delve into 5 stocks that stand out as compelling investment prospects for the year 2024. 1. Tesla Incorporated. Tesla, the pioneer in electric vehicles, EVs, has consistently demonstrated its innovation prowess and market leadership. With the global shift towards sustainable energy solutions gaining momentum, Tesla remains at the forefront of this transition. The company's ambitious plans for expanding its product line, including the highly anticipated Tesla Cybertruck and advancements in autonomous driving technology, position it for robust growth in the coming years. Furthermore, Tesla's strategic initiatives in renewable energy, such as its energy storage solutions and solar products, provide diversified revenue streams and reinforce its status as a holistic energy company. Despite facing competition in the EV space, Tesla's brand recognition, superior technology, and expansive charging infrastructure give it a competitive edge. 2. Amazon.com Incorporated. Amazon's ubiquitous presence in e-commerce, cloud computing, digital streaming, and various other sectors underscores its status as a quintessential growth stock. The accelerated shift towards online shopping, driven by changing consumer preferences and the lingering effects of the COVID-19 pandemic, has propelled Amazon's revenue to new heights. Beyond its core e-commerce segment, Amazon Web Services, AWS, remains a key revenue driver, catering to the escalating demand for cloud infrastructure and services. The company's relentless focus on innovation, evidenced by initiatives like drone delivery and expansion into healthcare, positions it for sustained growth across multiple industries. 3. Alphabet Incorporated. Alphabet, the parent company of Google, continues to dominate the digital landscape through its diverse portfolio of technology products and services. As the world increasingly relies on digital platforms for communication, information retrieval, and business operations, Alphabet's relevance and market influence are unparalleled. Google's search engine, advertising platform, and cloud services constitute the core pillars of its revenue generation. The company's strategic investments in artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, and autonomous technology position it as a frontrunner in shaping the future of tech-driven innovation. 4. Square Incorporated. Square has emerged as a disruptive force in the financial technology, fintech sector, revolutionizing payment processing, small business services, and digital transactions. The company's ecosystem of products, including Square Point of Sale, Cash App, and Square Capital, caters to the evolving needs of merchants and consumers alike. Amid the accelerating adoption of cashless payments and mobile banking solutions, Square's innovative offerings resonate with a broad spectrum of users, from small businesses to individuals seeking seamless financial services. The recent integration of Bitcoin trading within the Cash App further underscores Square's forward-thinking approach and its commitment to embracing emerging trends. Furthermore, Square's acquisition of Afterpay, a leading buy now, pay later platform, signals its intent to diversify its revenue streams and expand its presence in the global payments landscape. With a robust growth trajectory fueled by technological innovation and strategic acquisitions, Square represents a compelling investment opportunity in the fintech space. 5. Beyond Meat Incorporated. Beyond Meat stands at the forefront of the plant-based meat revolution, capitalizing on growing consumer demand for sustainable and ethically sourced food alternatives. As concerns regarding environmental sustainability, animal welfare, and personal health drive individuals towards plant-based diets, Beyond Meat's products offer a viable solution to meet these evolving preferences. Beyond Meat's partnerships with major retailers, fast food chains, and food service providers have facilitated widespread distribution and accessibility of its plant-based offerings. The company's commitment to continuous product innovation and improvements in taste and texture further solidify its position as a market leader in the alternative protein space. Moreover, Beyond Meat's expansion into international markets and its efforts to optimize production processes underscore its ambitious growth strategy. With increasing consumer awareness and acceptance of plant-based diets, Beyond Meat is well-positioned to capitalize on this paradigm shift in the food industry, making it an intriguing investment prospect for 2024 and beyond. The stocks outlined above represent a diverse range of investment opportunities across various sectors, including technology, e-commerce, fintech, and sustainable food. While each company presents its unique value proposition and growth prospects, they share common attributes such as innovation, resilience, and adaptability to changing market dynamics. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more investment insights. Until next time, happy investing!